Well, early morning. It's 4:30 in the morning. I'm up here. Anyway, I pulled cards on Elon Musk wasting away in Twitterville. Looking for his shaker of salt. Anyway, let's look at what's going on in Twitterville and Elon Musk. So what we got in the center of it all is him wanting to birth something new, hatching his new idea, because he's another one of these narcissists that just think he's all that in a bag of chips. And this is something that he decided he wanted to do. Documents, he bought Twitter. So what is happening with Twitter? So underneath of it all, we start off with the new action passage, moving forward, again, trying to birth something new when it comes to messages, things that are being given out. In the past, he thought this was a good thing. We have that he could be in control of this, okay? But we could have some things with government also, could be looking at some of the things he's doing with that, with his new journey when it comes to Twitter. But what we have now is the card of abuse. Oh, what a surprise, okay? Manipulation, abuse, being able to use it to go after things. And that's very sweet to him, okay? Opening up this type of platform, okay? For abuse and, anger rants and whatever they're doing. Now, the challenge is drifting, being blocked in his high tower, and sudden shock from bad news. So it doesn't appear that it's going to go well, okay? He may be thinking about charging money for it, etc., and it just doesn't look like it's going to move like he thinks it's going to. The clarification is, karma, time, moving, trying to persevere with those of like mind, okay, and things that are within the book, understanding about what's happening. And what we have, again, still underneath of it, shedding light on the transformation, eating away. Oh, excuse me. Oh, don't tell me I'm having this again this morning. Attacks, okay? Eating away at the ability to do these attacks, what I guess he thinks they're going to be able to do. Oh my goodness. Because last one we have is his dark deeds, just going wild, craziness on the dark side. And failure and disaster, okay? Failure and disaster. So it doesn't look like it's going to go well for him. We have him trying to have the new opportunity of vocalness for probably 45, those like him, and the delusional drama. Okay. And so, again, we have this oh my goodness, I'm telling you, there must be something blooming now. Oh, excuse me. we have this retreat because of the lies and the contracts that are anchored in. And trying to get away with things with like-minded people that, again, want to birth something new of snaky means, okay? So again, doesn't look like it's going to go well. The star's new action, okay, with his, it's going to be right up there with Truth Social is what it looks like, because it's being cut. Okay, the fires are burning and it's going to be cut. So it doesn't look like it's going to work well for him. Excuse me again. It looks like Elon Musk and Twitterville is going to kind of go the way of Truth Social. So we'll have to watch and see. But it doesn't look to be this big money-making activity that he thinks it's going to be. It looks like maybe people will be kind of leaving it in droves. But we'll have to watch and see if the cards are right or if they're wrong. But thank you for tuning in this morning, and sorry about all the sneezing. I don't know what's going on. I had that going yesterday, too. All of a sudden, I'm, having the sneezing going. But this, too, will pass. Hopefully, sooner than later. Oh, my goodness. Every time I think I'm going to get on the road, something else comes up. I've got to... I bought that other car, and I still haven't received the title so that I can go down and get it registered before I take off. So I'm going to have to try to call the company and say, when is my I thought it was 2 or 3 weeks. This has been, going on a couple months now. When is that coming? So try to take care of that tomorrow. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you online.